In this video, I am going to show you the working of Klaviyo Connector with Odoo. First of all, after installing the connector, go to the settings and then click on Klaviyo. So here you have to enter your client's secret key and client's secret key name. So how you can get these? You have to go to your Klaviyo account and then click on here, the account name, and then in settings. Once you reach there, click on API keys. So here you can find your API key name and its value. So if it is expired or hidden, you can generate a new API key as well. So once you have copied your credentials, paste in the related fields and click on Save. Once you save it, click on Build Connection. So as our credentials are correct, so the connection is successful. After establishing the connection, go to the main dashboard and then click on Klaviyo. So here these are the features that our standard connector provides. Import and export lists from Klaviyo to Odoo and vice versa, and sync segments from Klaviyo to Odoo, and sync users from Odoo to Klaviyo. So first of all, I will sync the list from Klaviyo to Odoo as it is a fresh database. So currently there is no list, no mailing list here. So once the process is finished, you can just duplicate this screen and check whether our lists are synced in Odoo or not. So these are the mailing lists that are synced from Klaviyo into Odoo. So we can just cross-check them. Yes, we have these lists already in Klaviyo, and once you have synced lists, we can also sync the segments as well from Klaviyo to Odoo. So once this process is finished, we can see the list is created in Odoo as well. Segment is created in Odoo as well from Klaviyo. So we can just recheck it. Yes, this is the test segment and it has one member. We have also only one member in our Odoo. This is the member. So we have the same member here as well in Odoo. So once you're done with this, we can also export the list and users from Odoo to Klaviyo. For that, we can just simply go to Email Marketing and then click on Mailing List New. And then add the recipients. And add email. Just go back to your main Klaviyo dashboard and now click on Sync from Odoo to Klaviyo. Once this process is finished, we can just go to our Klaviyo website and we can see the consumer list that we have created in Odoo. This is synced in Klaviyo as well. So after doing all this, we can also sync our users that are created in Odoo to Klaviyo. So now here in the Contact module, we can just create a new contact to sync it from Odoo to Klaviyo. So once we're done with this, we can also add the email as well. So there is a checkbox labeled as excluded from marketing. If we check this field, so what will happen? This contact will send into suppressed contact list into the Klaviyo. Means those contacts which cannot receive the marketing emails, or if we uncheck this, so it will treat it as a normal profile. So for right now, just unchecking it and click on the save. So once we have done this, we can click on. So here we have two actions, one for those to whom we want to exclude from marketing list and one for the normal profiles. So as it is a normal profile, we will just export it to Klaviyo. So we can also test it for the other contact to whom we want to exclude from marketing. So here we will enter the email and now exclude it from marketing. So once we check this field, so this contact will be synced in suppressed contact. So right now, we have no suppressed profile. Save it and then send it to export to Klaviyo suppressed list. So once this process is finished, we can just go to Klaviyo and we can see we have one suppressed profile. Yes, we have mark at the gmail.com which we want to suppress from marketing. So this is how we can sync customers or contacts from Odoo to Klaviyo individually, or we can also just do it from here. Like if we don't want to sync the users individually from one by one, we can just click on this and all the users that are not present in Klaviyo, and they will be synced from Odoo to Klaviyo as well. Feel free to reach us for any support.